Can the Insta360 replace a drone? I'll tell you what I think, but let's get into the video first. So is the Insta360 1R camera that we got, is it a replacement for the drone? No, I don't think so. It is a good alternative though. The Insta360 camera does have its limitations. Like if you're not careful when you're editing in post, you can get a fisheye look out of it. The one thing I like about the Insta360 app where you do your editing is you got a choice. You can put it to linear and it almost makes it look like a regular camera. Some of the limitations it has though is I don't like the zoom function on it. When you try and zoom in, it goes real grainy. When you're trying to follow something like the trophy trucks at the start line, you can just do that in post. You just hold the camera up and you can program it later. I love that function. Now, night shots, I don't like them. For some reason they turn out grainy. Maybe it's just the setting that I've done that I haven't looked at it enough, but I never use it at night. The one thing I think is excellent for the Insta1 camera is special effect shots. Like if you're doing shots on a tripod where you're just walking by it, or you want to ride by it or drive by it. If you're doing something like in a no drone zone, like Baladra Beach, which is just north of La Paz here, it's a protected area, you can't use drones there. So you get a 10-foot selfie stick like we did, and you can almost make it look like a drone. Also, when you're in crowds, like at the starting line for the Baja 1000, and there was people flying drones there. At one point I counted 8 of them there, and I was waiting for a crash. But all I did was held mine straight up, and we just went walking along, and I just programmed it in post. You can almost make it look like a drone, but it's not the same. Anyhow, it's good for special effect shots. In my opinion, is it a replacement for a drone? No. The epic shots you can get from a drone are fantastic. The Insta360 is not quite there. Would I buy one again? For sure, because I love using it sometimes, but it's not a full-time camera. Anyhow, that's my opinion. I just thought I'd share my opinions because we're trying to use it more down here. It's not as easy to use a drone down here as I thought it would be until you get to some remote areas. But days like today, it's pretty windy and it's a little tougher.